AG Labs, my name is Ben. Hello, good morning. Welcome to the Micro Soldering Show. And today in the morning we just start with an iPhone 7, which was mailed in because it got no touch function after somebody tried to renew the battery on this iPhone 7 here. This was the battery the customer wanted to use. I don't say anything about this battery. We go to the enhanced camera. This was the battery. I don't want to use that. I just put in another battery and charged it, and you see I can't use the touch. Okay, so we just can try this with another known good screen. I just connect the screen, connect the battery, plug in the USB cable, and let's see if the touch works then. Pelius. Guck mal hier bitte an diesem MacBook, da ist jetzt eine Platine drin für UK-Tastatur, ist aber eine deutsche Tastatur drin. Das heißt, wenn ich jetzt hier drauf drücke, ja, einfach an. And you see there is no touch function. So, what can we do in this case? We can say, Andy, please fix it. Here, for you. No, please give me the multimeter. Just a little joke in the morning. I don't know what Andy is doing.
Behind the scenes. Andy, come on, fix it in 2 minutes.
So let's see what we can do here. We just need to take diode mode readings, but before we start by doing that, I just want to see if I can see anything here with my eyes. So the connector looks okay. We have no long screw damage. Do we have any loose parts here? Nothing I see. No. So that looks good. Okay. So try to replace the battery, and after replacing the battery we have a problem with the touch. Okay, but why? If the customer only tried to renew the battery, why he should have touch problems later? So let's check diode mode readings. And I want to go to the touch lines LCM. Okay, we go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1V8 touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 520. 520 should be okay. 540. Okay, so 5V1 touch. And SPI AP to touch is open line. Like I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8th pin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 8th pin is open line and should be about 430 millivolts. And here, my eyes are not the best in the morning. Do you see that filter here on the top? So I need to clean my eyes today in the morning because I just didn't see that. Normally I have a closer look. Here we got a filter right on top to the FPC. I can show that to you on ZXW. And you see that FL3922, and here is a missing filter. Okay, so they tried to replace the battery and they ripped off a filter, and that's all. So that's really denkt dran, dass ab heute wieder Knöllchen vergeben werden, also fahrt eure Autos am besten dann weg. Irgendwas bist geknipst worden oder so wieder, haben sie gesagt. Ja, doch, ich glaube, das gibt richtig Probleme. Keine Ahnung. Okay, we just did a joke. We just did a joke for David. Okay. Okay, so we just need to really. Wer war denn das? I'm so sorry for just don't see at first with my eyes that a filter here is missing. So we just have to replace this filter here. It's a 150 ohm. So somebody called and wanted to speak to David, and Andy said, David, here, it's the police. You got problems. and David was really, oh no, fuck. Yeah. Okay, but I want to take a picture before I finish this repair, okay? So. It's not a big thing, but a little picture is always nice. So, we need a filter. Ferret. Zero 10005 100 and oh, they're empty. Do I have some other shit which I can take for that? 01005 filter. Farad 70 ohms, no. What can I take here? 22 ohms. We have to reorder them. Yeah, that's the other option, but I just want to see if I'm pretty sure that I have something here. But okay. Normally I never use things from Donnerbots. I always replace them with new parts, but if I don't have new one here, I have to order. And I have to take it from another iPhone 7 board. This is iPhone 7 Plus. Always if I'm looking for iPhone 7 boards, I always find iPhone 7 Plus. And if I search iPhone 7 Plus, I always find iPhone 7. But here we are. Der Herr Ulrich wie das Bullrichsalz.
Gut. Genau. Gerade hallo, guten Tag.
Ulrich ist mein Name, hallo.
Ja.
Ulle. Ulle ist mein Name. Okay. So, we just replaced Aber ganz schnell, Andi, bitte. So, and
Gibt es jetzt auch wieder zwei verschiedene Modelle. Ich schaue mal, ob es preislich einen großen Unterschied machen würde. Jetzt sind nicht erst 216er und das 217er.
Andy at the phone is one of the best I know, because he's always really friendly and people love him. People love him. What about that? Do you see? The small work today in the morning just doesn't want to work.
Das könnte man derzeit nicht machen. Das dürfen wir mit der Corona-Zeit nur reine Dienstleistungen machen. Wir dürfen keine Beratung, keinen Zugang und Verkauf leiten. Das muss alles relativ schnell gehen.
Okay, now it looks good, and I just want to get a little bit of fresh solder onto the side.
Das wäre natürlich alles noch ein bisschen einfacher. Dann ist das neue Gerät aus.
So, okay.
Wenn das alte Gerät funktioniert, dann gibt man das neue noch zurücksetzen und dann kann man das während der Konfiguration kann man die Daten dann überspielen. Das geht dann drahtlos. Das ist dann relativ einfach. Natürlich wäre es kein Problem, das kurz zu erklären.
Okay, done. And now let's see if we have a touch function again.
Selbstverständlich. Genau. Also ja, ist natürlich bestellbar. Wir haben da nicht vorrätig. Das geht aber relativ flott. Die sind alle drei lieferbar, sehe ich. Ja, ist alles lieferbar. Und das ist dann in der Regel innerhalb eines bis 2 Tagen. Das sollte kein Problem sein. Das geht ja ganz schnell.
We already have haptical feedback of the home button,
Dann verbleiben wir so. Ich bedanke mich bei Ihnen.
and we see that we have a touch function again. Boom! We are back to life again with our iPhone 7 after no touch. So, and this was all. Video done. Short video, 12 minutes. I hope you like it. If you want to learn things like that easily, you can do that at the Border Repair School Germany or at our one-on-one trainings online. Just give me a message to ben@apfeldoktor.eu. I would be happy to see you at our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. But please answer the questions, otherwise we can't accept you. And Andy, shut up, shut up. By the way, order the amazing ICC Pro. Does anybody have an ICC Pro here for me? David, I gave you mine yesterday. Bulle. Bulle, Ulle. Please give me your ICC Pro.
Every technician.
Yeah, a tool which every technician in the world needs, in my opinion. Order the amazing ICC Pro. I'm out. We see you with the next video. Boom! Back to life again, and stay healthy, people. Goodbye. And this is Kyle91. Contact him on Instagram. He's really a great lover of moms. Okay, I'm out.